Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have been wondering how to create a reel in Instagram, then you are in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to make a reel from start to end. Let's dive right in. First, find Instagram app. Now open it. To make a reel, tap onto the plus sign button right here. Here, now go to the camera option. From here you can make reels. You can choose the audio and music that you want to have by clicking here. You can either scroll down or search it on the search bar. After selecting a music, click on to done. You can also put filters on your reel by tapping here. You can either scroll down or search it on the search bar. You can also scroll right or left to find the filter you want to have. Now, here are the options that you can have on your reel, which are audio, effects, layout, green screen, length, dual, gesture control and many more. Now record your reel like this. After creating reel, simply tap on to next. Here you can find the edit video option. Now tap on it. From here you can again edit the video clips by the given options. There are a lot of options that you can choose from. Now tap on to next. Write a catchy caption that explains what your video is about or adds a funny twist, and don't forget the hashtags. You can also choose the cover like this or from your camera roll, and you can choose any photo you want to have. After that, you can see there are a lot of editing options also. You can choose whatever you want to do with it. After choosing, simply tap on to share. And that's it. That's how you create an Instagram reel from start to finish. It's all about being creative, staying authentic and having fun with it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.